What's up guys, Steven here from Airsoft Tech, and today I'm bringing you guys somewhat of a different type of video. What I'm bringing you though is the KWA LM4 in action for the first time on my channel. You know, I've showed you guys the gun, I fired the gun, however, I haven't showed you guys how the gun performs and how it shoots and everything like that. So I thought I could at least bring you guys a short video of showing you how the gun actually performs and shoots. And I will have the review and shooting test in the near future, so don't worry about that. But anyways, right now, as you guys can see, I'm showing you how to properly load up the magazine with the feeding tube or nozzle that is provided in the box when you get this gun. And also before this segment, you guys saw a couple close-ups of each side of the gun. But anyways, if you're new to my channel and you haven't ever heard of me, hopefully you like what you see so far, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. And if you do, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And for all my fellow subscribers out there that have already been watching my videos and this is just another video of mine that you're watching, I greatly appreciate you clicking on this video. But anyways guys, that's gonna be it for me talking now. I'm gonna start adding some music and hopefully you enjoy the LM4 in action.